Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. Today I'm gonna introduce you to a new stitch which is half double crochet. It's very important to know how to make it. You will see it in a lot of patterns and it's very convenient because compared to a single crochet, the half double crochet is way higher, which means your creation will be made faster. So let's get started. I will show you how to make it in a chain and in a round so you can watch both techniques. Okay, so let's start with a chain. Once you are done with the chain stitches, you count the first one, the second one, you leave them blank, and you will use the third stitches because 2 chain stitches is the height of a half double crochet. First yarn over, you slip your hook through the third stitch. There you go. Second yarn over, you put it through 1 loop. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Third yarn over, you put it through the 3 loops. So the most important is to count the yarn over. So first one, go in the stitch. Second one, you put it through 1 loop. Third yarn over, you have 3 loops. Third yarn over, and you put it through 3 loops. There you go. Very easy. 1, 2, 3 yarn overs. So I will show you all the way like that you can practice with me. And then I will show you on a second row because you have to turn your creation when you go on the second rows on the chain. So I will show you how to do it. So now you arrived at the end of your first row. You use 2 chain stitches to turn your creation. As I said earlier, 2 chain stitches is the height of a half double crochet. So it will be your first half double crochet kind of. And you keep going. There you go. So the most important is to turn with 2 chain stitches. When you do a double crochet, you use 3 chain stitches, because you are actually making the same height of the stitch, so you 2 chain stitches, 1 half double crochet, 3 chain stitches, 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch is actually a single crochet. So now in a round it's the same technique. You start with 2 chain stitches, 1 yarn over, you pull it through the first stitch. Second yarn over, you put it through the first loop. Third yarn over, 3 loops. There you go. Same technique. Don't forget to count the yarn over. This is my technique, and like that you never actually miss a half double crochet. I also add you right here the link for the double crochet video, like that you can see my technique. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video, and I also put you the link on my website for free crochet patterns. Bye bye!